How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply connect your Redmi Bud 8 Lite to your laptop. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and connect both of your earbuds onto the actual charging case right here. So you just want to return them onto the charging case. And right after, let's enter the pairing mode by holding press or pressing the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds, and it will indicate that you're on pairing mode once that the light indicator is rapidly flashing. So once that appears, you just want to head over to your Bluetooth and other device setting, click add device, Bluetooth. Unfortunately, I don't have my Bluetooth on my laptop right here. And then you just want to look for the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So from there, you have successfully connected it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.